Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 72 hours have been very crucial as Bitcoin is struggling to get over 115,000. Ethereum just went up about 5%, clearly suggesting that the altcoin season might be just starting. But as the crypto market is doing better, what is something that all of the cryptos need to ensure that they are able to sustain themselves? And that's a wallet. Now keep in mind, if you decide to put your money into an exchange, recently there's been too many instances where exchanges have been hacked and your money's been stolen. So having a secure wallet is one of the most crucial thing when it comes to crypto. And what's the best way to do it? Cold Wallet. And today I want to show you guys the sponsor for today's video, which is Cold Wallet. This wallet is much better than anything you guys have seen before. Some of the basic features which should be included is your keys you hold. There is no one in the middle, not the team, no one knows your code. Your crypto is secured and only you have access to it. At the same time, multi-chain, so you don't have to really make a new wallet for Solana, don't need to make a new wallet for Ethereum. You can just use one. Buy, sell, swap, seamless, no problem at all. Now you'll be like, Sky, then how is this wallet different and how is this going to be making me good money? Well, the only difference is you earn USDT as you go. So every single swap that you actually do inside of this wallet, you will be rewarded with USDT. And the reason for this is because this wallet is so new. Keep in mind, they have already been released on Apple and Android. So if you guys have an Apple phone or you have an Android phone, you can actually download this wallet. It's simply called Cold Wallet. And what's even crazier is they have already raised about $5.6 million. And what is this raising for? It's actually for a token that they are doing a pre-sale for. And that's where the money is. Keep in mind, this token is going to be huge. It's called CWT, or the ticker symbol is CWT. Now, why is this good? But there is a shift. With CWT, every on-chain action becomes a chance to earn gas, cashback, swap, cashback, on-ramps, you guessed it. So you get the idea. Why is this token going to be so crucial? Well, because this token is going to be the way that you will be able to earn your cashback. And due to the fact that this token is still in a very early stage, in a pre-sale stage, you do have a lot more money to make. Also, this is how they make sure that the wallet that you guys are using is super secured with the two-step verification, biometric authentication, time lock transactions, and wallet lockdown. Now, these features are obviously required to ensure that your cold wallet stays super secure. Now, they do have partnerships with a lot of different, well-known brands around the world. And this is the pre-sale that just went live. And just to give you an idea, the pre-sale currently has raised about $526,000 and the price is still sitting very low. But once the stage 2 comes to an end, obviously as the stages come to an end, the price will be going up. The total supply is sitting at just 10 billion, while the blockchain is compatible with Ethereum, BNB, and multi other. And utility, as we just talked about, it's with swapping and also the gas fees, and the pre-sale price, it starts at just 0.7 cents. And it's going to have the deflationary model with the capped supply, so it's obviously going to be doing much better. And this is exactly how their pretty much the tokenomics looks like. So the pre-sale is 40%, rewards pool 25, liquidity 12, and ecosystem is going to be 10, team receives 7, and treasury will receive 6%. And this is pretty much the roadmap. So overall, complete the pre-sale, then go to the post-launch and expand into bigger things. Just to give you an idea, this is how new the project is. The Twitter following is only 138. So if you get in early, there is a lot of profit to be made. And at the same time, 420 views for only 100 followers, so it is definitely slowly starting to catch a little bit of heat. The Telegram has about 271 subscribers, and I really like those random projects which just like to pump up their following by buying fake followers. This is much better, and they do have a lot of vision. Once the early supporters enter, there's going to be a lot of purchasing that will be happening. After that, the token gets listed, and then there is going to be a lot of cashback tiers that will be activated, which will get more people wanting to use Cold Wallet as compared to like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then partnership with the premium tier boost with the advanced analytics and portfolio tools planning. So the code to code transfer is obviously much more secure as compared to, let's say, other wallets, and that's why this wallet does shape the future. And they're just getting started. That's what I'm trying to say. I feel like it's still so early into it. You can make a very good return. At the end of the day, this is still a crypto, so make sure you guys do your own research. What I'm saying is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. If you guys do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And then if you do want to purchase, I do want to say you simply just need to go to the website, click on join, and then you guys just need to connect your wallet and then decide on how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to convert into the wallet. And then you guys just need to pretty much click buy, and then you will be able to go ahead and stake it away and earn yourself a little bit of reward while you wait for the token to come to life. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon.